All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brian Sickles. I'm the BIM manager and a project architect with Sherlock Smith & Adams. I appreciate the opportunity Kimon has given us today to present. My presentation has 3 points. First, a little about who we are and what we do at Sherlock Smith & Adams. Second, why we began using the Onuma system and SEPS2BIM. And then the bulk of my presentation today will be a demo on how we're using SEPS2BIM and the Onuma system. So, who we are, we're an A&E firm specializing in healthcare design, specifically clinic, lab, and hospital design for the DoD. As a full-service healthcare design firm, we have architecture, interior, structural, civil, MEP, and a medical planning department. And that compartment's comprised of medical planners, medical equipment procurers. We even have a former nurse and hospital administrator on our staff there. Why we began using SEPS2BIM and the Onuma system? Well, that medical planning department I mentioned, they came back from the HFI conference in 2016 and showed me the video that was presented there on SEPS2BIM and the Onuma system. And so, 3 things we really liked. First of all, it replaced our static library of equipment families with a dynamic one. Instead of manually having to go in and edit parameter data for hundreds of equipment families in Revit, the SEPS2BIM and Onuma system would populate those parameters with the most recent data from SEPS. Second, we were using a library of room layouts, commonly used room codes, but nowhere near as comprehensive as what we were going to get out of the SEPS2BIM and Onuma system. And finally, it was all automated. Using this process would significantly reduce opportunities for human error. And I know I'm not the only architect who's laid out a department only to realize they left out a room and have to go back and completely start over.